The journey of Hajj. The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, Hajj is Arafat. Whoever reaches the night of Jamarat, Muzdalifah, before the break of dawn has attained Hajj. The days of Mina are 3. Whoever hastens to leave in 2 days, there is no sin upon him, and whoever delays, there is no sin upon him. Hajj is not valid without standing at Arafat, and this takes place during the daytime of the 9th of Dhul Hijjah. After sunset, the pilgrims head to Muzdalifah and spend the night there. Whoever arrives before the Fajr prayer has attained Hajj. Then the days of Mina begin, 3 days after the day of Eid, known as the Days of Tashriq. During these days, pilgrims stone the Jamarat and increase in the remembrance of Allah. A pilgrim may hasten, completing the stoning in 2 days and leaving, and there is no sin upon him. The journey of Hajj begins with supplication at Arafat, then spending the night in Muzdalifah, and then stoning the Jamarat in Mina. Whoever performs these rites with sincerity and true faith returns purified from sins like the day they were born. May Allah accept from us and from you, and Eid Mubarak.